Yeah, yeah. Late night city lights, broken dreams, neon skies. I was dancing in the rain alone, trying to find a place called home. Your voice still echoes in my mind, like a ghost I can't leave behind. Every street we used to drive still keeps your memory alive. I smile outside, but deep inside there's a storm I cannot hide. And every time the moonlight falls, I still hear your midnight calls. Maybe love was never meant to stay. Maybe hearts are made to break away. Now I'm falling through the rolling shadows, trying to heal from all this pain. Your love burning like fire in my soul, then disappeared just like the rain. Oh baby, tell me why you left me lonely, why you turned our gold to gray. I gave you every piece inside me, but you walked away. Coffee cups and empty rooms, silent nights and sad perfume. Your jacket hanging by the door still makes me miss you even more. Everybody says move on, but they don't know what we had was strong. You were the melody in my veins. Now all that's left are broken chains. And every star up in the sky reminds me of your blue eyes. I keep searching through the dark tonight for a love that felt so right. Now I'm falling through the rolling shadows, trying to heal from all this pain. Your love burning like fire in my soul, then disappeared just like the rain. Oh baby, tell me why you left me lonely, why you turned our gold to gray. I gave you every piece inside me, but you walked away. Maybe someday I'll be stronger, maybe these scars won't last forever, but tonight